Pure Pressure and Detailing offers a unique advantage: the ability to safely inspect, quote, and document hard-to-reach areas with the drone and then clean them with our powerful washer. They emphasize quality, which signals to clients that Pure Pressure and Detailing cares about their property and getting the job done right. And I incorporate the word aerial, which sets Pure Pressure and Detailing apart because not all cleaning companies have this capability. Let me explain. The drone lets Pure Pressure and Detailing cover more ground faster without having to waste time and money on ladders or scaffolding. And the 200-gallon power washer is so efficient that once Pure Pressure sets it up, we won't need to move it around much. Pure Pressure and Detailing easily makes clients' prices affordable compared to the traditional company's prices. Now let's talk about the service packages Pure Pressure and Detailing can offer. The first service package Pure Pressure and Detailing recommends: driveway and sidewalk cleaning. Driveways, walkways, and patios are essential to any home or business. Over time, they get dirty, stained, and covered with moss or mildew. A clean set of walkways can improve curb appeal by up to 75% and increase property values. Driveways and patios can be cleaned using a power washer on concrete, asphalt, and pavers. The 150-foot hose gives Pure Pressure and Detailing incredible reach from our truck without moving it constantly. Next up, Pure Pressure and Detailing has house and fence washing, clean vinyl siding, brick, stucco, and wooden fences. Pure Pressure and Detailing also cleans apartment and other multifamily properties. Pure Pressure and Detailing uses biodegradable cleaning agents that are safe for plants and the environment. Okay, now let us talk about the service Pure Pressure and Detailing really sets apart from the competition: roof and gutter cleaning. But with Pure Pressure's drones, it's going to be a game changer. Most roofs cleaning companies charge between $8 and $13 per square based on the size of your roof. On average, roofs range between 1,500 and 3,000 square feet. That means the average cost of a roof cleaning ranges between $12,000 and $39,000. But here's the problem. How do you safely get up on the roof to inspect it in the first place? And how do you accurately estimate the size of the roof? Well, that's where Pure Pressure's drones come in. Let's start with inspection and quoting. Using Pure Pressure's drones to safely fly over the roof, take high-resolution photos and video of problem areas like clogged gutters, moss patches, and damaged shingles. Then Pure Pressure and Detailing uses Google Earth to measure the roof's dimensions. From there, Pure Pressure and Detailing calculate how much cleaning and repair work will cost. By using Pure Pressure's drone for inspection and quoting, you eliminate dangerous ladder work, save time, and give accurate estimates. Alright, next up on the list is deck, patio, and outdoor living area restoration. Pure Pressure and Detailing is also in the business of restoring a deck or patio, which involves stripping old stain and sealant, deep cleaning wood and composite decks, and cleaning patio furniture. Another great feature Pure Pressure and Detailing offer is commercial cleaning. Pure Pressure and Detailing offer services like grease removal from dumpster pads, cleaning sidewalks and entryways, restoring exterior walls and windows, and more. Pure Pressure and Detailing offers fleet and truck cleaning. Pure Pressure and Detailing thinks about construction companies, landscapers, plumbers, and moving companies. Offering mobile cleaning services at their place of business can be convenient and profitable. Pure Pressure's equipment is powerful enough to clean heavy dirt and mud from commercial vehicles. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you next time.